Hi, hello viewers, it's My Lemonade IAS Academy and today we are going to see countries that border Thailand. So Thailand is a country in map, it will be so easy to draw actually. So it will be similar to a heart. It will be something like this, not exactly like this. I have drawn it for easier understanding. It will be something like this. And here this is Thailand. So the countries that share border with Thailand we are going to see, and on the top of Thailand from here to here there is one country. Actually this curve will be so pronounced curve, and here this region we have another one country, and on the top of this country we have another one country, and on this side from here there is another one country which we all know, and that is Myanmar. And here on the bottom it shares boundary with another one country, and that is Malaysia. Okay, so this is what Thailand's map is. Here the first country is Laos. Laos is already asked in UPSC Civil Service exam prelims in 2017 or 18 I guess. It is already asked. Countries that border Laos is already asked question, and here it is Cambodia. And the top it is Vietnam. And this is Myanmar. Myanmar will be slightly different. I just drawn. It will be locating right here. It is Myanmar. Now after Myanmar we will be having India. India, Bangladesh will be right here. India, and here the small region Bangladesh will be sharing. Here it is Bangladesh. So this region is Malaysia. So Thailand shares border with LCM square. So it is Laos, Cambodia. Then Vietnam doesn't share a border with Thailand actually. See here. Here it is Laos. Here it is Cambodia. Vietnam shares border only with Laos and Cambodia. It doesn't share border with Thailand. So it is L, C, then M for Malaysia and Myanmar. So it shares border with 4 countries, and those are Laos, Cambodia, Malaysia and Myanmar. So this is about Thailand. So let us study about other countries also. The other countries which we can see is, let us take Vietnam. Vietnam shares border with 3 countries, and those are LC square. Here it shares border with Laos and Cambodia, which we know. Apart from that, it shares boundary with China actually. China will be on the top. China will be right here. So here it is China actually. So Vietnam shares border with 3 countries, and those are Laos, Cambodia and China. So Vietnam doesn't share border with Myanmar actually. See here there will be a gap. So it shares border with Laos, Cambodia and China. So it is LC square. LC square is for Vietnam. LCM square is for Thailand. And Myanmar is also in news. There is some political situation, and there is some clashes which is going on in Myanmar. So Myanmar is also important. So let us see for Myanmar also. Myanmar shares border with TBICL. It is Myanmar shares border with T. Thailand. It shares border with Thailand, China, and B for Bangladesh. Actually, let us go in this manner. So it is Thailand, Bangladesh, India, China, and finally it is Laos. So it is Thailand, Bangladesh, India, China, then finally Laos. So Myanmar shares border with 2, 3, 4, 5. So Vietnam shares border with 3 countries. Thailand share border with 4 countries and Myanmar share border with 5 countries. And after that, Laos is already asked in UPSC question. So by seeing itself, you can say Laos shares border with Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia and Myanmar and also with China. So this is what Laos shares. So it shares border with Vietnam, then it also shares border with Cambodia, then Thailand, then Myanmar, then with China. So this is what Laos and Cambodia also you can see. You can remember this map actually so easily because you can first start with the heart and below that heart we have Malaysia and the top on the top northeastern side and north side we have Laos. On the east side we have Cambodia and again on this both in Laos and Cambodia we have Vietnam and above all this we have China. Here Myanmar. After Myanmar we have India and Bangladesh. You can easily remember this map. By using this we can remember the countries that border for Vietnam, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Myanmar, India, Bangladesh. We can remember this for all these things. And we have two important gulfs here. One is this region. It is a gulf actually. This is a water body. This water body is a gulf and it is called as Gulf of Thailand. And here there will be a gulf actually. Actually, this is not exactly how it looks. You can go and refer to the map. This is an approximate picture. Here also there is a gulf will be located. This gulf region is called as Gulf of Tonkin. And this region is also sea actually. This is also a water body. We already know this. This is Bay of Bengal. This is Bay of Bengal and this is also water body. And here we have South China Sea. Here we have South China Sea and after this here somewhere around here we have Philippines. And on China, on the top we will be having Taiwan and between China and Taiwan we will be having Taiwan Strait. And after Malaysia we have Sumatra. Sumatra will be something like this. Here there is a narrow water body which runs right. This narrow water body is called as Strait of Malacca. Malacca. And this is called as Sumatra. It is Sumatra Island. And after Sumatra Island we have Java. This is Java Island and above Java we have Java Sea. This region sea is called as Java Sea. And above this we have a big island and this island is called as Borneo. It is called as Borneo and after this we have Celebes. Something like this it will be. It is Celebes. And after Celebes we will be having Papua New Guinea. After this we will be having Papua New Guinea and below this we will be having some other thing also. We will be having Timor Island. Straight down we will be having. Right here we will be having Timor. And on the above of Celebes, between Celebes and Timor we will be having Banda Sea. Here it is Banda Sea. And sorry, it is Banda Sea. And below this Timor we will be having Timor Sea. And above Philippines we will be having, above Philippines means it will be close to China. We will be having Taiwan and there we will be having Taiwan Strait. And this region we have Pacific Ocean. Here it is Pacific Ocean. This is South China Sea. Yes, this is South China Sea and on the top Above Taiwan we will be having East China Sea, and above that we will be having Yellow Sea, Sea of Japan, and we will be having Sea of Okhotsk. And these are the seas which are located. These are the things which are in the east of India. After India we will be having Myanmar. After that we will be having Thailand, Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam. On the top of all these things we will be having China, and near this we have two important states. One is Gulf of Thailand, another one is Gulf of Tonkin. And after this, in the sea area, this sea area is called as South China Sea. Here we have Philippines. Above this we have on the above this we have Pacific Ocean, and near China we will be having Taiwan. Between China and Taiwan we have Taiwan Strait, and below Thailand Malaysia is there. Malaysia and Thailand is attached, actually it has a land boundary. And after Malaysia we have Sumatra Island. So between Malaysia and Sumatra we have Strait of Malacca, and then we have Java. Between Java and Sumatra we have Java Strait, and above Java we have Java Sea, and above this we have Borneo Island. In Indonesia it is called as Kalimantan, I guess. And after this we have Celebes Island, and below this we have Timor. Between Timor and Celebes we have Banda Sea, and below Timor we have Timor Sea. These are the things which are relating to countries on the east side of India. Subscribe to My Laminate IAS Academy.